This is an SMA socket. SMA means sub miniature version A, SMA socket. This is an advancement over the BNC connector. While BNC connectors were introduced in 1940s, this was introduced in 1960s. And upper frequency range mentioned for BNC connector was 2 GHz. Initially when this was designed, the upper frequency mentioned was 12 GHz. Later it was increased to 18 GHz and even 26.5 GHz. There are even certain variants which can go even up to 40 GHz. So this is meant for higher frequency applications. And now most of the handheld devices like dual band radios are coming with similar